Yes, Anvesha, you are here for a general conversation. How are you today? So it's a general conversation session, and how are you feeling to have this? Tell me, what topic would you like to talk to me? Any topic. It's not you who will decide. Shall I decide? Okay, let's talk about Steadfast. You share your first day in Steadfast. How was your first day in Steadfast?
My first day, first I have entered in the class and I have taken the lecture of ING with Ravi sir, and then he explained how to talk in present and past with the lecture ING, and I got it perfectly.
Okay, you understood that lecture?
Yes, sir.
As well as how about the practice session which was in second half? Was that there practice session? Did you participate in practice session?
Yes, sir.
How was that? Drawings, interaction and presentation. How did you feel about that?
It was very nice introduction and dealing. Means first that we should frame the sentence. We have to frame the sentence and do the dealings. Then half an hour we have make up the sentence.
And how about your experience with Steadfast? Share your experience since you joined Steadfast today. Since you joined the Steadfast till now, how is your experience? Okay, share your feedbacks about Steadfast. What do you think about Steadfast?
Steadfast is a platform. Steadfast is a platform for learning English. I think it is the best coaching for learning English because in Steadfast not English learning only English to English. So the students can understand it. Students can understand the lectures perfectly.
Okay, and what's your opinion about trainers of Steadfast? Trainers, all the trainers, teachers, trainers, team.
The team of the Steadfast, I think it is very nice team. All the trainers are giving their 200 or 200%.
Okay, and did you improve after joining Steadfast?
Yes.
What all skills did you improve after joining Steadfast?
I have improved my personality, dance, and sing English and talk to English to any person.
Your parents are happy with your performance?
Yes.
Do they give you compliment regarding your improvement of communication, English improvement?
Yes, sir.
What they tell you?
Sir, always my parents are saying that first you will, if there is a weekly presentation, so first you will tell us that your topic, then there you can speak it perfectly and
Okay. Suppose you get a chance to give any compliment to Steadfast. What will be compliment? Any tarif words? If you get a chance to say something praising of Steadfast, what would you like to say? Okay. What service? Which service do you like most in Steadfast?
English.
English singing training. Are you able to sing any song?
Yes, sir.
How many songs you are able to sing?
Many songs.
Like
Baka Baka Dimi Ram, Closer Kadiram.
Waka Waka also?
Yes,
You are good in Waka Waka?
yes, sir.
Let's start. Just you show our audience who are watching us on our YouTube, show them that a girl also can sing a song Waka Waka, which is very difficult. So English is very easy. If you sing the song before the people, they will take the English is very easy language. Please.
You are good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and let yourself up, get back in the saddle. You are on the front line, everyone's watching. You and I see us by getting close, this isn't over. The precious song, you feel it, that you got it all, believe it. When you forget that, oh, let you forget that, Ramina, Mina, Sangaleva, Anava, up, Ramina, Mina, Baka. Cause this is Africa. Listen to your God. This is our mojo. Our time to shine. Don't let it bend. God must blow. People are raising their expectations. Don't fix and this your own hesitation. You paved the way. I feel it. But you got the way.
at the end. It's really nice of you. It's a miracle of Steadfast, the girl who is in a which standard? Fifth standard. She is singing a song very confidently. It's a miracle in Steadfast, and just because of trainers? No, just because of students. Those are giving their 100%. And this station I brought for you guys so that I can really say you that English is a very easy language, but the education system is not having a proper system to teach this language in the schools and colleges. Otherwise, look at the example. And she is very good in her confidence also. Look at her confidence. And are you confident now to talk in English?
Yes, sir.
You are able to talk with anyone?
Yes, sir.
Do you talk at your school
Yes, sir.
with your teachers in English?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you get a chance to ask any question about Steadfast to me, so what question would you like to ask? About Steadfast. Okay, fine. Please introduce two rules of Steadfast to our audience. Two rules of Steadfast to our audience.
Student success.
Look at the audience.
There are two rules in Steadfast. First, student success is our success. Students improvement is our improvement. And the second rule is never forget the first.
Thank you so much. And thank you so much for watching us. Thank you so much, Anvesha, for your time, for your general conversation. I really became very happy to talk to you. I'm very glad to talk to you.